Boeing is one of the most famous names in aviation, responsible for some of the world's most iconic airplanes. But behind its success lies a series of shocking scandals that have rocked the industry, damaged its reputation, and raised serious safety concerns. Here are 5 of Boeing's biggest scandals that changed aviation forever. Boeing's most infamous scandal began in 2018 when Lion Air Flight 610 crashed into the Java Sea, killing all 189 people on board. Just a few months later, in March 2019, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 crashed shortly after takeoff, killing all 157 passengers and crew. Investigators discovered both crashes were caused by a faulty flight control system called MCOS. MCOS was designed to prevent the plane from stalling, but it relied on a single sensor that could fail, forcing the plane into an uncontrollable dive. Even worse, Boeing never properly informed pilots about MCOS, and training materials did not cover how to disable it. After the second crash, the entire 737 MAX fleet was grounded worldwide for nearly 2 years, making it one of the largest aviation groundings in history. Boeing eventually agreed to pay over $2.5 billion in fines and settlements, admitting it misled regulators about the system. In the years following the 737 MAX crisis, multiple Boeing whistleblowers came forward, revealing disturbing issues inside the company. Engineers and former employees exposed poor manufacturing practices, rushed production, and a culture that prioritized speed and cost-cutting over safety. One of the most shocking claims came from John Barnett, a former Boeing quality manager, who revealed that faulty parts and debris were regularly left inside aircraft during production, posing serious safety risks. Another whistleblower, Ed Pearson, testified before Congress, warning that Boeing's pressure to meet delivery deadlines had led to sloppy manufacturing, directly contributing to the 737 MAX crashes. These revelations triggered multiple investigations, and Boeing faced intense scrutiny from regulators, airlines, and the public, further damaging its credibility. Just as Boeing was recovering from the 737 MAX crisis, another disaster struck in January 2024. A brand new Alaska Airlines 737 MAX 9 suffered a mid-air emergency when a fuselage panel, known as the door plug, blew out at 16,000 feet, leaving a massive hole in the plane. Miraculously, no one was sitting near the section, and the plane made an emergency landing. This incident shocked the aviation world and led to the immediate grounding of over 170 Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft. Investigators found serious quality control failures in Boeing's manufacturing process, raising new concerns about the safety of its aircraft. The FAA launched a full investigation, and airlines demanded urgent inspections of their fleets. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner was designed to be a revolutionary aircraft, offering fuel efficiency and advanced materials. But behind the scenes, the program was plagued with massive delays, production flaws, and serious safety concerns. In 2013, the Dreamliner was grounded worldwide after multiple battery fires occurred in just a few weeks. Boeing had to redesign the system and reassure regulators before the aircraft could return to service. Then, in 2020, production issues resurfaced when manufacturing defects in the fuselage were discovered, causing Boeing to halt deliveries for nearly a year. These setbacks cost Boeing billions of dollars and further damaged its reputation for quality. Over the past decade, Boeing has faced multiple lawsuits and federal investigations over its handling of safety concerns. In 2021, the company reached a $2.5 billion settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice after admitting it misled regulators about the 737 MAX safety. Families of crash victims also filed lawsuits, leading to hundreds of millions in additional settlements. More recently, Boeing has come under fire for lobbying efforts and corporate decisions that some say prioritize profits over passenger safety. As investigations continue, regulators and airlines are demanding stricter oversight of Boeing's manufacturing and safety practices. Despite these scandals, Boeing remains one of the largest aircraft manufacturers in the world. However, its reputation has been severely damaged, and many passengers, pilots, and airlines have lost trust in the company. Do you think Boeing can recover from these scandals? Or will its problems continue? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more aviation insights.